In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Start by launching Recorder app that's already on your INFINIX and tapping on Allow in the pop-ups if you never used it before. Now, before recording, click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you want to. Go back and tap on the red button at the bottom to start. Select Allow again and wait. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To discard it, hit this X at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, click on the left button, and to end it and save it, tap on the right one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, check out all of those options here. You can add bookmarks while listening. You can remove them thanks to those bin icons next to chosen tags. You can share it by tapping on the share button and deciding how you want to share it over here. You can tap on this icon at the top right corner and tap on agree. Then pick your language and hit summarize. To summarize your recording, hit agree here and allow as well. It will be transferred to notes. Or you can go back by clicking on this arrow at the top left corner and manage it from the list. To do that, hold it and use all of those options at the bottom, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!